Hello children, welcome to the chemistry class. So till now we have discussed about the chemical and physical changes in a matter in the second chapter. Now we are in the third chapter, that is elements, compound and mixtures. So that are formed from the pure substances, and we have discussed about the matter. So what is a matter? We know that in your earlier class you have studied matter occupies space and has mass and can be perceived by the senses. A matter is a substance, may be a pure or impure in nature. That may be a pure, can be formed from pure or impure substances in nature. So pure substances are again classified into two types, that is elements and compounds. Elements and compounds. So classification of matter is classified into living and non-living. And again non-living, it is substances classified into two, pure and impure substances. And pure substances and impure substances, pure substance again classified into elements and compounds. In the elements, metals, non-metals, metalloids, that means atoms and molecules. And compounds, molecules and ions. For example, neon, oxygen, compound like water molecule and NaCl. So let's see what is an element, what is a compound and what is a mixture, and let's go in detail. So substances classified into element and compound. So element is what it is. It is obtained from pure substance. Element is obtained from pure substances. It is a basic unit of matter and cannot be broken down into two or more simpler forms. It is mainly classified into metals and non-metals. See, atom, pure metal, noble gases, helium, neon, argon, copper, magnesium and argon. And molecule, it is made up of two and it is derived from the pure substance. It is similar atoms or elements share their valence electrons to achieve the electron arrangement. And compound, it is obtained from pure substance. It is formed by the combination of two or more elements. The elements are combined together in a fixed ratio. It can be broken down and its elements are involved in the chemical means. So we know that two or non-metal of elements share their valence electrons to achieve its electron arrangement. Next, ion, a metal group, that is 1, 2 or 13 release the electropositive ion, that is metal atom, which is having a positive ion. And non-metal atom groups receive electrons to achieve its duplet octet arrangement, which is a negative charge, that NaCl and CuSO4. A mixture is obtained from an impure substance. It is formed by the combination of two or more elements, compounds or both. The substances are mechanically mixed together in any ratio. See the elements and compounds. How the elements are formed and compounds are the form. So element, as we discussed, it is formed from a pure substance and made up of only one kind of atom. See, hydrogen, only one kind of atom. Oxygen, one kind. Nitrogen, one kind. Chlorine, one kind. So an atom is the basic unit of an element. See, hydrogen. In that, H, that is basic unit of an atom. So atom is the basic unit of an element. So atom is the basic particle of an element which may or may not exist on its own. Atom is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not exist on its own. Any atom is further divisible as seen today into nucleus, protons and neutrons. And elements, so atom is having protons, neutrons and nucleus. Protons, neutrons and nucleus. See the compound, it is formed of two or more atoms, that is nitrogen oxide, H2O, hydrogen plus oxygen, water, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen plus oxides, carbon dioxide, carbon plus oxide gives carbon dioxide. See, the atoms are represented by single spheres. Atoms are represented by single spheres. Sphere of same size and color represents atoms of the same element. Molecules are represented by two or more spheres. Molecules of elements are represented by two or more spheres of same size, color and joined together. Molecules and compounds are represented by two or more spheres, different sizes, colors and joined together. See here, they are round in shape. Differences of compounds, mixtures and elements. Compound, mixtures and elements. So these are the some elements and their symbol and their valency in the periodic table. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium and calcium. These are the first 20 elements that you should remember, children, and it is very important. These are the arrangement of elements from the atomic numbers in the modern periodic table. And elements are categorized into metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. Elements are categorized into metals, non-metals, metalloids and noble gases. So atom, we already discussed that it is having nucleus, protons and neutrons. Nucleus, it is the center of the atom. It is the nucleus is present in the center of the atom. And protons are positively charged particles and neutrons particles carrying no charge. Orbits surrounded the nucleus in which the electrons revolve, that is negatively charged. So remember, children, in an atom electrons are negatively charged, protons are positively charged and nucleus is neutral. Nucleus is neutral. So this is about the substances and its classification. Substance and its classification. So in the next class we will discuss in detail about the atom and the element characteristics, and we have discussed about the symbols also. So what are the other characteristics of metals, metallic elements, non-metallic elements, metalloids and noble gases. And then children, for the objective type questions in the physical and chemical changes of second chapter. So the first one, so select the correct answer from the choice in the bracket is given. A change in which a substance retain its identity is a physical change. A matter is added or removed during a physical change. Energy required for the completion of physical change is released when the change is reversed. Dissolution of lead nitrate in water is deemed as chemical change. A change in which matter undergoes a change but total mass of substance is unaltered is chemical change. So this is the first answers given. So please note down in the textbook. Till then children, have a good day. Bye bye.